How to get a public profile on Snapchat. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can get a public profile. So first off, head over to your Snapchat application and make sure that you are logged in. Now once you are logged into your account, all you're going to have to do is tap on the profile at the top left corner. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll find your friends, then your list, then you'll have your location. And under Spotlight and Snap Map, go ahead and tap on View All. Here you will see your public profile and snaps. So if you tap on it, tap on the three dots, you can delete the snap if you want, or if you don't have a public profile, you can create one from here. So head over to the profile, and then if you scroll down here, you'll get the Spotlight and Snap Map. So simply tap on the public profile option right here and then click on OK. Now, if you don't see this, you're going to have to create it first. I've already created my public profile. So you can see your insights here, then you can see your spotlights and storage. So if you want us to add snaps, just tap on it. Now I'll just add this picture, and once you've done, tap on done, and your story will be posted publicly. So that's how you create and get a public profile on Snapchat. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.